Yes, you have found the video that will discuss free tools for YouTube creators. If you enjoy uncovering the marketing secrets of YouTube as much as I do, then punch that subscribe button and follow along as I uncover all the cool secrets like software, hardware, marketing techniques, SEO techniques, everything that has to do with marketing and doing well on YouTube. Subscribe and let's go. Okay, let's get into these new tools. So this first tool is really cool. Nobody really talks about it. I really haven't heard anybody talk about it online. It's where to get large-sized thumbnails from your friend's channel. If you're approached by someone that you know online and you need some graphic help and you need to find that large thumbnail, how do you do it? Let's go over to the Farm All Fanatics channel. Fantastic channel. He's out of Pennsylvania. He's a farmer. He raises chickens, hunts deer, fixes tractors. It's absolutely riveting content. Check it out. But he approached me for help and I needed to get a thumbnail and I needed to get a large one. So what I did was I initially went over to his video. Here's the video here. Doesn't show you the actual thumbnail. I hit share and I will grab that link and go to a website called get-youtube-thumbnail.com, okay? And then just paste that link in there and hit get YouTube thumbnail. Watch. Bam! It gives you this huge image. All you have to do is copy it, screen grab it, or you can right click it and save file as. It's actually 1,282 pixels wide and 717 tall, around there, estimated. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, from time to time, you as a YouTube content creator may need to grab video from YouTube for your own videos. So this tool is really simple and really easy. I call it the PP method, and it has nothing to do with going to the bathroom. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So go into YouTube, and we'll do a search for giraffe green screen. Okay, I'll hit enter, and we'll go into the filter and select Creative Commons. We don't want to use video that's commercially owned. And the first one that comes up is this giraffe video. We'll hit pause real quick. And at this point, getting the 1080p video, which is what you want because clarity rules, of course, is to put in the letter PP after YouTube, after the E in YouTube. And then all you have to do is hit enter. And I guess there was some kind of agreement with this website and YouTube so that if you hit PP, there's an auto redirect into this website, which is really, really cool. And they offer 1080p video. Just click the download button and click the download and the green button and you're good to go. Now, if you're interested in a software-based free online tool that does this, you want to go with something called the 4K video downloader. You can get it at 4kdownload.com. It works on a PC and a Mac. It's been downloaded millions of times. Everybody knows about it. It's really cool. It also gives you the ability to download MP3s, just like the PP method. It's cut and dry, it's super easy, get it. Now, if you're looking for a fast way to get supportive graphics like thumbnail backgrounds and backgrounds for your video and supportive clip art and that kind of thing, the best place to go is called search.creativecommons.org. And basically what it is a website that allows you to conduct a search. So for example, I'll type in the word car, and then your next choice is to decide where you want to conduct the search. And there are three primary image websites: Google Images, Flickr, and Pixabay. I love Pixabay. It seems like the results that come from Pixabay are really great. Another thing to consider is you want to make sure you check off use for commercial purposes and modify, adapt, or build upon if you are going to modify the graphics that you download. This is a great site. They also provide a open clip art gallery where there's some really great graphics in there that you can download in PNGs or WMF, which is a vector file format. You can open it up in Illustrator. Super great resource. Really, really easy to find stuff. Go there to get what you need. Oh, dude, this next tool is, oh my God, this next tool is so, so great. You know, I've been using Photoshop for about 20 years, and I find that I'm using this tool instead of Photoshop. Okay, so here's the bottom line. You know when you're using Canva or maybe some other software out there, and it doesn't allow you to select areas in the photo to extract? You can't, it's called masking. You can't extract your face from a background to use it so that you can change the background to sort of fit your needs, okay? Canva doesn't allow you to do it. So there is a website called online.photoscissors.com that will automatically extract your face from the background. Now take a look at my head. You see how there's darkness sort of around my shoulder area? I'm wearing a black shirt and my hair is kind of dark. in the background. The system will have a lot of difficulty with that. So in order to remedy that issue, I'm going to stick this piece of foam here that I've got behind my head like this, right? Stick it like that, and then I'm going to take the thumbnail shot. Here we go. Ready? All right, now we'll head over to online.photoscissors.com and upload that photo that we just created. Here we are here. We'll hit upload image, and we will go into our folder and we will upload it. Photo gets uploaded to their server. We get prompted with some tutorial kind of stuff. We don't need to bother with that because I'm going to show you how to do it. And the first step is we designate the photo, the part of the photo that we want to keep. You get a little green dot here. Just very quickly highlight the photo, parts of the photo that you'd like to keep, real quick. Color in the middle of it. And then we click the red dot and designate what we don't want. All this stuff. Done. Now on the right-hand side, we'll see the live preview of the parts of the photo that have been removed. Now you'll notice that some of the edges are kind of got some, wrinkles in there. Don't let that upset you too much. It's not that big of a deal. Let's zoom into the photo. And as you can see on the left and right-hand side of my head where it meets my shoulders, we need to get rid of that part of the photo. So we're going to zoom in real quick and get that designated as what we don't want. So we will get rid of that part of the foam there. Get rid of that. Boom. That's gone. Excellent. And let's zoom back out by hitting this icon. And let's get that material that's between the my eyebrow there and my glasses. So we'll zoom back in real quick and hit this cross icon and drag the photo over and designate that inside. Now as you can see, the red dot's a little bit big, so we have this little slider here that we can use to make it tiny. And we just select that white stuff inside there. And boom, it's gone. That's good enough for me. Now, as you can see, the edges look a little bit funky. Don't let that bother you too much. All we have to do is go over to the foreground tab over here on the right-hand side and see the smooth the boundary selector. Just click it, you get a selector, and you can, the higher the number goes, the smoother that line will get. So I'm going to make it a 7. And yes, it looks pretty darn good. The edges look great. Another thing you can do is feathering. If you want to just make the edge a little bit fuzzy, I would recommend putting it as a 1. Just sort of takes the edge off that line a little bit. And then if you click the star and you check off shadow, you can add a shadow to this thing, which is really, really cool. So I like to go around like 30, 40 for my blur, for my shadow. I'm going to bring it down to 30, 29. That's good. And then I will save. Now the system will save as a transparent ping 24, which has got billions of colors, so that the transparency looks terrific in any background. Now we'll head on over to Canva and drop in that newly created transparent ping. Just go to the folder that contains that image and drag it right into the upload section of Canva, which is located towards the bottom. Upon successfully uploading, I will simply grab that new transparent image that I created of myself and drop it right in. And it's kind of facing the wrong way, so I'm going to flip it by clicking flip and flip horizontally. Whoop, there it goes. Now as it looks like it's overlapping the YouTube logo, so I'm going to go into arrange and make it go back 1. And I think maybe I'll do it again. Yeah, I like that. So there you have it, masked out images for Canva. Yes! This next free tool for YouTube creators is really great and effective because what it does is it allows you the opportunity to change your voice if you need to sort of add emphasis to a certain part of your video. The website is called voicechanger.io and it provides over 50 special effects that you can apply to your voice. It is super cool. Check it out. If you wanted to draw attention to a specific part of your video, you could make your voice sound like it's coming out of an old radio.
All you do is upload your voice and click the circles to get the sound effect. It's cool.
All right, thanks for hanging out. You can click this square or this square for more content from my channel, or you can click the circle over here to subscribe if you'd like. You are the man. Woo.